Sam Medina from Certified Collision Works. I just wanted to come on really quick and let everybody know to stay strong. We're going to push through this crisis. And I also wanted to let everybody know that we are extending our hours of operation. Saturday, we'll be here Sunday. Give us a call through Facebook Messenger, email, however you prefer to communicate. One reason why I wanted to come on real quick is we've been getting a lot of calls about customers that have claims and they're trying to figure out what process to do next. A lot of times right now, the insurance companies are asking them to download an app, or they're asking them to download photos or send photos, or they might just receive something in the mail and not sure what steps to do next. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we actually let everybody know that we are open. We are helping with these claim process. So if you have a claim, just call us with the claim number and we can handle that paperwork for you. And the way that process works is what we do is we get the claim, we contact the insurance company, and if they have an estimate, we ask them to send us an email of that estimate. If they don't have an estimate, what we'll do is we'll do an in-house estimate, and we also do an image report. And what the image report does is we actually take photos of all the damage areas, and then we submit that to the insurance company. And the reason why this is very important is because the insurance is only going to pay for the damages they see. So if we can document all the damage through photos, send that to them, they're gonna process your claim a lot faster. So you want to be working with a shop that has this technology, the shop that has this knowledge to get that claim process going as fast as possible. And the last thing you don't want any more delays. You don't want to waste any more time. So the sooner you can get your information to us, the faster we can process the claim.